Question 10. What is the question? The question reads, for each of the following words, find another word or phrase that means the same thing and which can replace it as it is used in the passage. Here, you want to note, you are not asked to define the words. Supply synonyms, that is the meaning. Supply synonyms, adequate synonyms that can fit smugly into the spaces for the original words. That is the point. So, what does the marking scheme tell us? Marking scheme 10.1 spell. The synonyms provided are period, bout, interval, etc. These are words that can fit into, if we go back to the script, it says, we want to be going back on this point. It says that she never imagined that a short fainting spell would land her in prison. We can put back there. A short fainting bout would land her in prison. A short fainting period would land her in prison. A short fainting interval would, because an interval of time, not the whole time. So these three words can fit into where we have spell. Note that spell here is not spelling a word. It doesn't also mean curse, because spell can mean curse. That's it. Okay, so we'll leave that and move to the next one. Domestic. Options provided here, we have home, we have family. Domestic. Domestic can have a variety of meanings, but as used here, it means home or family. So that it will read as in the passage, on the domestic front, on the home front, on the family front, different from the work front or the prison yard. That is the point that the writer was drawing, the point he was making. So those two words are the ones given for domestic. Then we have enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic options are fervent, vigorous, excited, animated, etc. Now, if we go to the passage, I'll go. So the enthusiastic clapping, we can have the fervent clapping, we can have the excited clapping, we can have the vigorous clapping, we can have the animated clapping. They all will give you about the same meaning. So those words can work. Then we have number 4 under 10, fervor. Now you will take note that the word fervent that is taken as an option for a word that can replace enthusiastic is the adjective form of the word fervor, which is a noun. So in that form means that fervent and enthusiastic are the same. So fervor and enthusiasm will also be the same. So for fervor, we can have enthusiasm, excitement, earnestness, but maybe vigor and animation before short. So these are the options we have for fervor. Then we take number 5, the uninitiated. Look at the passage. That issue of to the uninitiated has already been mentioned in the previous paragraph. So if you have the passage, look at the previous paragraph before where the to the uninitiated is mentioned. We have there to a first-time visitor, which means also to the uninitiated, because it's the same issue. If you read that person to a first-time visitor, the prison's building could be any structure has any fellowship meeting. And then for when you have to the uninitiated, we have these women images could be mistaken for any other religious gathering. So you see that they can work. So for the words that can replace to the uninitiated, we have to that's the first-time visitor will work, the newcomer will work, a novice will work, the uninformed will work, a layman will also work. That is the point. So you want to take note of that. Now, if you look at it, for novice, I didn't say the novice, because that would be too specified, unlike what we have in the uninitiated. That is the point. So, having looked at the marking scheme and the words as used in the passage, let us look at the candidate's answer.